Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable message preview in Viber application. To disable the message preview in Viber notifications, first of all, open the Viber app on your smartphone and tap the More icon at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings option, go ahead and click on Notifications. Scroll down and then you will see an option called Show Message Preview. Toggle the switch off right next to it to disable messages preview in notifications. Now when you receive a Viber notification, it will only show that you have a message but won't display the content inside the message. This will help you protect your privacy by hiding messages content from your lock screen and notification banners. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.